So why is the concept of One Health so important? It's important because it is a holistic approach to a very complex problem. Health is not just the absence of disease, but it's well-being and continued well-being, which relies not just on access to care, but access to healthy food, clean water, healthy environment.
Our entire community is based on health, the health of our population, the health of the food chain, and the health of the medicines that we take to keep ourselves healthy. It takes all of us working together with the goal of improving the health of our entire ecosystem to make these advances. The technology that each of us use in our companies contribute to this, and it's also often shared technology, so that as we work together, we can leverage findings from one company or one institute to another to scaffold and accelerate our common goal of health.
Some of the most challenging problems and issues that we face as a society require a multidisciplinary, cross-domain approach. So we have to create intentional convergences and convenings of people to really facilitate those creative collisions that are really important for collaboration and innovation. So having meetings like the Summit bring folks together from otherwise separate pods of innovation together into one room to have those conversations.
I think for me personally, the biggest learning that I took from the Summit is a huge passion across the community, whether it's from academics, corporates, startup, governmental. Everybody is aligned in terms of the intent of the vision and mission and the opportunity for One Health. I think now what we need to do is really capture that momentum, that excitement, and turn that into actions and reality as we move on into the future.
We have the scientific communities, we have the industry partners, we have the agency partners, and we have the community leaders.
I think Indiana's greatest asset when it comes to One Health is our history of doing this. We may not have realized what we had been doing over the past 150 years in terms of innovations, but fundamentally we have grown companies from the ground up that were rooted in innovation and science driving them forward to have solved grand challenges in human health, animal health, plant sciences, and environmental health.
The biggest learning I have from the summit is that there's a lot of energy and enthusiasm around this idea of One Health. To me, that's really exciting because what it means is we can go to the next step, which is moving from talk to real action. Indiana has all the ingredients, and now it's time to bake the cake.